Every spirit builds itself a house, and beyond its house a world, and beyond its world a heaven. Nature. Ralph Waldo Emerson.
It's time to build some log cabins.
The tranquil shores of Lake Kenilworth in Asheville, North Carolina. Welcome. And now, prepare yourself for a Tiny Home Mockucational Experience. Miniature log cabin. The complete build. Okay, welcome to the miniature log cabin build, episode 8. We're starting the lakeside tiny cabin gardens and preview of things to come.
Well, at least the button works even if the preview doesn't. Let's start the seeds. I got all the seeds here. Here's the routing. Snap peas, green beans, greens, basil, tomato, Tabasco, pepperoni, jalapeno, red bell peppers, bok choy onion, red onion, all that. So about the light. And my little sticks. I don't know if this apple works as a curse or a blessing, but when it works, it's interesting. When it doesn't work, it's not fun. Ink pen holds up the best with the weather, and that's why I'm not writing it on the stick, because even the ink pen on the stick over time it just fades and goes away. Pencil's okay, but this on the tape probably one of the best. I don't know if I'll bore you with making 50 of them, but later on we're going to plant seeds. And these are some ones that have made it all the way through last year. It's a rosemary, the slowest growing plant on earth. There's some basil. That's all one plant from last year. Make cuttings and expand it. This is a jalapeno. It's been a tough winter for the jalapeno. Friends are joining it. That's also a pepper. Back there's mint. So those will have a head start. There's a garlic and an avocado.
All right, these sticks is ready. Let's do some planting.
Time to do some planting. full moon was either yesterday or today. So you can see we're collecting quite a few things for the build there.
So I saw these Pro Hex starters on Living Off Grid with Jake and Nichol. Y'all should check them out if you haven't yet. They're cool.
I wish my preview worked. It was working. Can't imagine. No, Apple Watch, one day good, one day not good.
Yeah, I know, I'm just using Miracle Grow. It's not organic, but whatever. I don't have compost or anything yet anyway.
I wonder a bit about how hard you want to pack this, but I see people, they pack them so light, and I think it helps the roots. So I'm going to pack it light. We're starting so early.
In case you're wondering, yeah, I know I mumble, but mostly it's because I keep thinking my neighbors will wonder why I talk to myself so much. I'll do my best.
Be nice if the watch would let me preview this. Okay, I need a special tool. Here it is. You might call this a pencil. If not, it's a dipple.
In case you're wondering, yes, there's real ducks on the lake in the background. And a train?
Let's do the peppers. Where's the rest of it? These say grand mix. So I guess the early they're green, but these look like red and purple, so I'm gonna put them with the red and see if there's another green one I can buy. Same thing, 1/4 inch.
Spinach seeds are real big. Who knew? I've never seen spinach seeds before, I guess.
Man, those are big seeds for spinach. So 1/2 inch. Go to that metal. Over there. Hard to even cover them. They probably need a little light. Some of them need light to sprout. Okay, there you go. Them thyme seeds were the teeniest things on earth. I think I dropped 1/2 of them in these. Anyway, these seeds are a year old, but they've been kept cold outdoors all winter. So we'll see. Just gotta water them really delicately. Damn, I wish I had the preview. I gotta figure
Popcorn seed tests. Ha!
These are big seeds.
Interesting to see what these things do.
They're gonna need to go down a ways. They don't tell you this on the package, but you can tell.
I don't know, I'm gonna do 2, but I'm gonna start with 1. Okay, we got the one empty slot for peppers. Very baby seeds, so they know. Very simple. And then we get into flood. The lid's on now.
Alright. Hopefully the bubble fits. I have to cut these sticks down. That's fine. Gross sticks. The one white duck cracks me up.
That one white duck, he's so funny. I don't think he even knows.
It's just one. Look at this.
And after 5 days, the winner is
Lettuce.
lettuce.
The winner.
I have no
Look at
idea
them
what
all.
that is.
It's 5 days. What's that? Cayenne pepper. No, I think that's a mistake. Okay, it's day 6. I think that might be a legitimate cayenne. Not sure, but look at these. Spinach is up. Lettuces are doing good. Thyme is up. Tomatoes are up.
Y'all,
Basil's
you won't
up.
believe this. The popcorn is
The
up.
popcorn is up.
Unbelievable.
The popcorn is up. Unbelievable. This side needs to, the peppers need to bring it. Oh, I see a cilantro.
That's all, folks. I know you want more, though. Don't worry. Miniature log cabin build is just kicking off. Coming up next, we got finishing the workbench, side table from lumber scraps, finishing the foundation box, and setting and pouring foundations. After that, we will be rolling right on in.